Hi everyone, this is Alert Day Trading. The purpose of this video and the videos I make is to journal my trades, notice any mistakes I'm making. You can learn from any of my mistakes, any of my good behaviors. That's definitely a bonus. So today I took a trade on IMPP, and I was looking at the 3-minute time frame for this one. And we had a big push up higher here, and then here was the pullback. So the pullback was kind of deep, but it still was within my 50% minimum or maximum of a pullback. So my entry point was right here, the break above this candle, and we did get 1 cent away from my profit target. So this is kind of frustrating because I actually took a loss on the trade. So I try to be really disciplined and not move my targets after I'm in a trade. I find that, you kind of have, even though you have to be flexible, the point for me is that if I move it here 1 cent, like what about the next time? Do I move it 2 cents, and do I just keep, at what point do you say, okay, no, I'm not going to move it anymore? So I already got to that point where I say, okay, whatever my profit target is, whatever my stop loss is, I'm going to stick with those targets, and however it plays out. Now I am playing around with the idea of probably adjusting my stop loss, but I'm pretty much sticking with my targets and my stop loss areas. So anyway, as you can see, I was 1 cent away from my target, but we never came back here. You can see we had a bounce right here, and price kind of came back up to this level, so I thought maybe we had a chance, but kind of just turned around for the rest of the morning. So I ended up getting stopped out at this level right there. So overall pleased with the trading discipline, but not happy with obviously taking a loss, but that's fine. I was looking at another stock I almost traded. This is ZIM, and I was kind of going back and forth between the two stocks, and I had an order for IMPP, but it triggered before I was about to put an order for this trade. I was going to change stocks just because I liked this setup better. It's also a higher priced stock, which I kind of prefer, a little more more dependable with the higher price stocks. Lower volume, so that, the other stock had more volume, but so I didn't end up taking this trade, but if I did, this definitely would have been a profitable trade. This, you can see a nice big push to the upside, and then here we had the pullback, and then the entry would have been right about here, and probably you can see it was kind of going back and forth, getting kind of close to that stop loss point, but with this push up higher, it would have been a profitable trade. And then now it's just kind of bouncing back down. Let's see what the overall market is doing. So it's still, well, actually it's positive now. It was in the negative earlier today. So we're pushing up higher, so I don't know. The charts look a little similar, but this stock is kind of selling off here. So anyway, those were the stocks I was watching for today. Again, here was IMPP. Here was my entry point. This was my stop loss right here, and we almost hit my profit target by 1 cent, and then we got stopped out on this candle right here. So, even though I didn't hit my profit target, it still gives me confidence that the strategy almost worked. So even on a losing trade, the strategy almost worked. So right now I'm taking my statistics, and in the last 8 trades, 5 have been profitable and 3 have been losing trades. So, and now this is one of those 3 losing trades that almost was profitable. So we're very close to being 6 winning trades and 2 losing trades. So still pretty good odds with the strategy. So that'll be it for today. I'm pleased again with my trading discipline. Only main thing was I was kind of going back and forth between the 2 stocks, so I was a little distracted, kind of giving my attention to two ticker symbols, but both of them, in my opinion, had good setups for my strategy. So just kind of came down to which stock triggered first, and then that's the one I was gonna hold on to. I try not to trade 2 stocks at a time, because one, you're doubling your risk, and 2, your attention is divided. So, but anyway, that's pretty much it. And thanks for watching. Again, the purpose of the videos I make is to journal my trades, notice any mistakes I'm making, and if you can learn from any of my mistakes or good behaviors, that's definitely a positive. So good luck. Thank you.